So I just got a packet from Intel and I know what this is already, and I'm super excited. I won this in the XPG scavenger hunt almost a year ago now. That took place, and the GPUs are finally out and I finally have it, and this is the A750 and I just cannot wait to open it. Oh god, first of all, you see that the way it just came up, that was insane. Like, holy crap, that was insane. Let's open it, let's take it out, man. I'm really excited for this. I've never even held a real graphic card before. I'm a super noob on all these things, like, and I've been wanting to, and I can finally now build a PC on this. This is insane. So nothing else in the box, is pretty much empty. This is the box. It says Intel Arc. Nothing else really on the box. It's pretty heavy actually. I was expecting it to be a little lighter. I have my trusty X-Acto knife. Beautiful that blue is, so nice. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Oh my god, that's sure do, fam. Oh, that's so cool. Thank you for choosing Intel Arc graphics. Oh wow, holy crap, this feels so nice. This is a matte finish and it just feels so heavy and so solid, and it says that right here. Oh my god, here's the slot itself. This is a pretty beefy card. I mean, it's not that big, but look at all those lead ones. That's pretty nice. That's really it for this video. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you Intel for sending this. Yeah, that's it. See you in the next one.